Dear students, Assalamu alaikum to all of you. The topic for today is powers and functions of Lok Sabha. This topic is for the students of political science of 11th class. This topic is from your textbook, chapter number 5, Legislature. In the previous lecture, we discussed powers and functions of Rajya Sabha. Now today, our topic is powers and functions of Lok Sabha. Lok Sabha, as you know, is the lower house of the parliament. It is also known as the house of the people. Members of Lok Sabha are directly elected by the people through secret ballot on the basis of universal adult franchise. Now, powers and functions of Lok Sabha. Number 1, legislative functions. Money bills originate only in Lok Sabha. On a non-money bill, both the houses, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, have equal powers. However, in case of a deadlock on an ordinary bill, both the houses sit for a joint sitting, while the issue is decided by a majority of votes present in voting, while the issue is decided by a majority of members present and voting. But in the parliament, Lok Sabha has a numerical advantage. Now, financial powers. The money bills can only originate in Lok Sabha. Number 2, the Lok Sabha can remove a government if a money bill is rejected on the floor of the House. Now, Constitution amendment powers. Both houses enjoy equal powers to amend the Constitution. Now, control over executive. The Council of Ministers is responsible only to the Lok Sabha. The Lok Sabha can pass a no confidence motion against the Council of Ministers headed by the Prime Minister. The Lok Sabha exercises control over executive by means of asking questions, debates, discussions, supplementary questions, adjournment and censure motions. Now, miscellaneous powers. The Lok Sabha, along with Rajya Sabha, participate in the election of the President and Vice President. This constitutes a judicial power of Lok Sabha. Lok Sabha, along with Rajya Sabha, investigates the cases related to the impeachment of the President, the judges of the Supreme Court and the High Court. This constitutes a judicial power of the Lok Sabha. The approval of both the houses of parliament in case of emergencies. The approval of both the houses of parliament in case of emergency is essential. Dear students, I think it is enough for today. Khuda Hafiz. Stay home, stay safe.